This station's seen a bit of history in its time though. Remembering the very first train that came through from Minehead in 1977 with a title board, the Watchet Explorer. That was probably met by a similar sized crowd of people, possibly even bigger in those days. A restored railway. Anyway, it could be that things are about to turn to speeches. There's the press photographer going up the bridge. I wonder if I can get even closer.
Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to you all to this historic event to witness the reopening of a most vital link to unify our town once again. I hope it will not be too long before the Goviers Lane crossing is also rectified to the satisfaction of all users. The authorities have been in a quandary as to who should reopen the bridge. They consulted Merlin, who was too busy protecting Arthur. Then old Mother Shipton, who was engaged at Harrogate. The last but not least, they consulted the wicked wild witch of West Street, who said the West Somerset Council should do the honours. The council agreed to send their chairman. So please welcome the chairman of the West Somerset Council, Mr. Tony Knight.
Well, I could shout, but I'm going to use this apparatus. I thank Alan for his welcome. I have to say, I'm slightly emotional over it, especially when the train came along, and fighting for everything there. But first, before I say any more, I'd like to pass over to Sally, the chairman of the district council.
Can't quite hear what he's saying.
You know, that's what happened. Sally's now.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Translator?
And I suspect a lot of you, like me, wanted to know the measurement how likely are you to do that? Well, with the tenacity of some people, I know for instance for people that, but I personally want to thank him. He has worked so hard, and he's bludgeoned a lot of us. And he's being all modest on me. But I think big thanks, and I hope you will use this bridge frequently and often. I've been worried while it hasn't been here, people going around there, and of course there have been the odd people crossing the lines, taking their life in their hands. Use the bridge, look after it, and it's going to outlast even the smallest of us here. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes.
Wide campaign, which we have won. I am delighted. My fellow district councillors will no doubt have a sigh of relief when this is open. That Tony Knight will not be putting his hand up, mentioning the railway bridge and Watchet in every single opportunity. Next year, so you've got me. I'm delighted to hear the town band.
Are you there?
Getting it ready for today, but in particular for Steelway, who actually constructed this bridge, for the splendid end result. I'd have to say their workmanship to me is second to none, and through dedication completed on schedule, which is really impressive. So I think Steelway should be highly commended. I have to say, it is a great thanks to the present Cabinet in District Council, badgered no doubt by Dave Westcott, a number of town councillors in town, and the subject councillor John Freeman. Their support and encouragement has paved the way for success. I do think the safety guards
You'll get some more orders in a minute.
with crowning glory, which and therefore I'd like to thank all the individuals and organisations who supported my appeal. My grandfather worked on the station here many, many years ago. And it was my father's first job before he actually joined the Navy. So I'm so pro-Watchet, but I'm pro the railway, the town band, because my family got lots of connections there. Get there. But before I ask the Reverend Clive Gilbert to dedicate this bridge, I feel I've got to single out two people. Firstly, Council Officer Steve Watts. Without his support, determination and efforts, I never doubted that we would succeed. Officers in district are often blind. Don't believe it when they work hard. And secondly, to Ron Smith for his tremendous financial support of my appeal, through his power and his words of encouragement. Mention, as Alex brought it up quite correctly, Goldier's Lane Crossing. With the help, particularly of John Erdin and others on the Town Council, it is likely that we will have a result very, very soon. We're going through the last stages, and hopefully within 2 months it will happen. Once this has happened today, if you go onto the platform, there's a signing of the Mineral Line book, which I do those who supported me, I'm asking you to come to the Phoenix for a cup of tea or coffee with me. The Methodists are open, they like your money today as well. So if you go down to the Methodists for their Christmas fair, and Anne Cleveland has got a bucket so that I can reach the final total for this bridge. I'm now going to ask Reverend Clive Gilbert to dedicate the
God, our Heavenly Father, we dedicate this bridge in your name for the use of your people. May it make our journeys easier. May it be a safe place to cross. May your paths always be well lit as we greet those whose paths we cross. And as we travel onwards, may the road rise to meet us. May the wind be always at our back. May the sun shine warm upon our face. May the rains fall softly upon our feet. May God hold us in
of Newcastle. Right, we're now going to do the official opening, and as Alex said, who was going to do it? Well, I'm not one that thinks you should invite people from outside to come and open things in your community when they've done nothing actually contribute towards it. So I'm now asking Ron Smith to come forward and cut the tape this side. We'll then go up over the top, and those people who contributed, either organisations or individually, to the fund, I want you to follow on behind. We'll have a picture taken of that happening as well.
I still find it hard to believe that the station master is not keen on video being taken at his station. People are interested in what goes on at the station and on the railway in particular. Now here we've got a very fine lady who's volunteered to take us over the bridge in the other direction, and she doesn't mind being on video. How many times have you been over then, Irene?
I haven't.
This is the first time?
First time, yes.
New experience.
Yes.
It feels a lot more
Oh, it's metal. It's
efficient,
nice.
doesn't it, than the old stone
It feels
steps?
like metal, which is really nice.
Yeah, and plenty of holes in it to drain away the water.
Super.
What I did like though, the other lamp on the other side
Yeah.
has got a little plaque dedicating it to somebody.
Oh, yes. Now, it's somebody that Bridget's friend.
All right.
I think so. I think it's somebody.
Yeah, the name is there, which is very
I
good.
can't think of her name. But
No,
you know Bridget?
I wonder.
She
I
sort of
didn't
sits in front
instantly
of me.
recognise the name. Well, in the church.
In the church.
All right.
Yes, Carol Smith.
Carol Smith.
Yes, I can't think of the lady's name. And I think that's her daughter-in-law.
All right. Well, it's a very nice idea, isn't
But
it?
also I think she lost her daughter. Don't quote
Oh,
me, I'm
right.
not sure.
Yeah, well, that's good.
Yeah,
Very nice way to be remembered, isn't it?
just a little, that'll probably become a thing that people will do, you know?
Yeah, good idea. And not just people were actually collecting extra money yesterday too.
Oh, was they?
I don't know for what they've got in mind
Yeah.
to add to it.
Oh, this is super, I like
Yes, it seems an easier job. I don't know. Someone said it was steeper than before, but I don't know if it is.
this. It feels as though the steps are a bit narrower than before.
Right.
There. I never thought it would happen.
No, I know.
It has happened.
It's a lot quicker than progress at the other end of the station, isn't it? With the level crossing.
The gate.
Yeah.
Yes.
So
So you work with the station?
I have to. There's been a bit of politics recently, and I'm now no
politics.
longer associated.
Oh,
But
for goodness sake!
I know.
Oh, for goodness sake!
Yeah, I've been there for 7 years. Never
They
mind.
do some funny things.
They do. It's
Yeah.
politics for you.
Yeah.
But I like the way too. They've now levelled out the base over there with some greenery under it.
Yes.
Because that used to be a bit uneven over there.
Yes, it was a bit. Yeah.
Nice.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah. Oh. You're going back again just for the pleasure of the journey, are you?
I just hadn't done it, you know.
Yeah.
I was down at the fair, at the Methodist fair, helping.
Yeah.
But I saw the cutting of the ribbon and everything,
Yeah, that was good.
and the train.
Yeah, that was very nice to see the loco there, wasn't it?
They had lots of cool, huh?
Thanks, Irene.
Bye.